Ladies and gentlemen, hello and welcome. Today I want to hopefully help and I guess give you some background and knowledge on how to tell if your rotors are warped. In this video, I will not tell you why rotors get warped or how it happens. This is just to hopefully show you if your rotors are warped, what are the signs, and you should probably do a full brake job, meaning rotors and brake pads. So for me, the absolute first sign that rotors are warped is when you're driving and you start braking at any level, hard, easy. As soon as you tap the brakes, your steering wheel starts to shake and vibrate. But you will feel it. It's an undeniable feeling. If your steering wheel is shaking when you apply the brakes, you most likely have warped rotors, and that's my first sign that I always go off of. Second sign is you want to look at the rotor itself. So looking at it already, I see all of this. You guys see the discoloration, and when you run your finger through it, it's not going to be smooth. So right here I feel some bumps, right here I feel some bumps, and right here I feel some bumps. We could also see that right here the rotor is pretty much gone, so it doesn't even feel like metal. It's just an odd composite. So that's your second sign. Third sign again is looking at your rotor itself and see if you have any major cracks. We're not talking about carbon ceramic brakes, because those rotors always look like they have cracks and they're warped, but they're not. We're talking about regular steel brakes. If you have cracks, something like this, your rotors are warped. So there are two ways to go about fixing your shaky steering wheel, vibrating steering wheel, and warped rotors. The method I would recommend is replacing everything. Replace the rotor, replace the brake pads. Your second option is get the rotor resurfaced. That won't necessarily work on every rotor because it could be warped so bad that there's just no saving it. If it has deep cracks or whatnot, it's not gonna help. That's why I always default to just replace rotors and brake pads. They're not super expensive anymore, and it's not a very difficult job. But I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, drop a comment in the comment section below, give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in another video.